Welcome to Trends Tech, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tools and technology. Join us as we explore curated collections of innovative tools for every project.
The Craftsman Crossline laser level is one of the best tools when it comes to user-friendly laser levels. A single switch locks the pendulum, unlocks it for self-leveling, or turns off the device completely. To use, simply find your desired height and flip the switch to unlock. The crosshairs will level themselves. Its compact size and budget price tag make the Craftsman Crossline laser level a terrific addition for any homeowner or a contractor who only needs a laser level occasionally. It's suitable and accurate for a long list of indoor projects. The Performance Tool M26 digital torque adapter is a small lime-shaped attachment that converts your standard 1/2-inch socket handle or breaker bar into a torque wrench with a rotating digital readout. The adapter features a programmable interface with 10 adjustable preset values and informs you audibly and visually when those values have been reached. The kit comes nicely packaged in a durable storage case. When rotating the tires on our cars, which was a breeze, we realized the digital torque adapter could read torque in clockwise and counterclockwise directions. A handy feature. It's extremely accurate. Works with all standard socket sizes and can be programmed to save the exact torque settings required for your vehicle. Weller is known as the best in soldering guns, and the 9400 model is awesome. This soldering gun features 3 LED lights for better views of your soldering projects. It cuts in less than 6 seconds and comes with 3 tips. The dual-watt gun will deliver 140 watts with the trigger halfway pulled and 100 watts when it's pulled entirely. It's great for heavy-duty projects and smaller projects like hobby models, small appliances, and automotive. Perhaps the best part is that it comes with a 7-year warranty. It's lightweight at 3 pounds, and there's a hex wrench stored on the grip to make changing tips easier. Similar to the hard-to-find Zircon HD 900 and with all the same features, the Zircon MultiScanner L550 is a scanner that detects studs, metal, and electrical wiring. If you're in the market for a heavy-duty scanner for various die tasks, you'll be glad you picked up this one. Electronic stud finders like the L550 work by sensing density variations behind the wall. They're typically more expensive and require calibration before operating. These units can also be set to find pipes and wires, which is far more functionality than magnet stud finders offer. The Neibo Omni 2K is an adjustable, multi-directional 2000 lumen work light. It features a pair of 360-degree rotating, dimmable LED lights that can be used individually or together. The Neibo Work light also features a red light mode that can help conserve battery power in a pinch. The unit recharges in less than 2 hours when plugged into a standard electrical outlet. Once charged, the Neibo provides between 80 minutes and 11 hours of usable light, depending on brightness and light setting. You can even charge your other devices via a 4 mA USB port. The KER Folding Workt table is a helpful workshop assistant with a sturdy and portable design, plus an integrated clamping system to hold material firmly in place while you drill, paint, cut, or assemble projects. You can use this workstation as a miter saw stand to secure boards for cutting, painting, or whatever projects are on your to-do list. Additionally, the table features a plastic resin construction, which makes it lightweight and weather-resistant yet heavy-duty, since it supports up to 1,000 pounds. We like that it is designed to fold into a 4 1/2 inches thick briefcase shape for easy storage and transport. If you're in the market for a quality, durable, and compact toolset, check out this DeWalt 84-piece mechanics toolset. It's full of great features like a 72-tooth ratchet, strong 6-point sockets, and a durable storage case. Plus, with DeWalt's full lifetime warranty, you can be confident it'll last forever. The entire chrome-plated tool set comes in a molded 10-inch by 14-inch, heavy-duty plastic storage case. Every piece looks and feels sturdy and strong. The set as a whole is compact and easy to carry, weighing less than 10 pounds. A good addition to any dyer's tool stash. This drill bit set from DeWalt includes 21 titanium drill bits for a variety of materials. We love that the case includes a clear lid, so it's easy to eyeball the contents without opening the lid. Apart from that, these drill bits are clean and cool. All waste material is ejected cleanly. No clogging, no melting, no melting. Where this bit set shines is the value-added features. It's the little things, like how easily the case inserts pop out. Larger fingers can easily be retracted and inserted into even the smallest bits. It is an impressive set and affordable to boot. Tough System 2.0 toolboxes feature spring-loaded, auto-connect side latches, enabling one-handed operation, along with durable metal front latches and a padlock hasp. The dust and water-resistant set comes with 2 large organizer cups and 2 removable inner trays, letting you maximize your storage space. Best of all, the rolling tower is compatible with any Tough System product, past or present. An endoscope, aka an inspection camera, or borescope, is a camera on the end of a wire that connects to a screen. This cool tech tool displays what the camera sees. The Depstec DS500 is a dual-lens inspection camera that comes with a 5-inch LCD screen. A detachable HD camera offers 2 views. You can switch between the traditional view at the end of the snake, or a side view for when you can't see the camera itself. The additional view makes it easier to see everything in the area. We've tried it by checking our dryer vents, checking for errant wires in the walls, and inspecting HVAC registers. The waterproof design also makes it useful for diagnosing plumbing issues like locating clogs. That's a wrap on today's tool showcase. Subscribe for more reviews. Like this video and let us know your favorite tool in the comments below.